from almost getting hit as a cameraman
Yung cameraman.
to being a director and to actually vlogging. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog where we did camping.
No problem.
What night is pretty.
Look at the camera. Lola, saan tayo pupunta? To answer that question, we went to Catmon camping site, located at Cavite, Laguna. We went there around 8 a.m. but supposedly we were supposed to go around 7 a.m. but we were a bit late. It's been raining in Manila, but we're not in Manila. And now we're in McDonald's eating fried chicken. On the side drinking soda. My little soda pop. You're the one I think of. Every drop I drink up. You're my soda pop. My little soda pop. Cool me down, you're so hot. Pour me up. Lola.
Wala tayong gagawin. Umukulang.
Magsayabas kinaiinis.
Wala kaming pake. Gento. Gento. Gento.
That's not.
Be quick on it. Wait, I'll get it.
Are there still many tents? Pag pinapay niya, mawala yan. Hop!
Hop. Another one.
Another one, thank you.
Wala pa. This is what we had for breakfast the next day. My mom and my titas then practiced for a TikTok dance, which is Opal Light by Taylor Swift and Forever Young, which you guys saw at the start of the video. They've been practicing since last night actually, and I do have clips from last night, but it was too dark, that's why I wasn't able to add it here. Then it's time for us to go home. Even though it rained, I still had fun. Thankfully though, it didn't rain all throughout our stay in the camping site. I had fun taking pictures and videos that would serve as memories. I really love photography and always having my camera with me. Before going home, we stopped by Aling Taling's Halo Halo, where we were supposed to eat just halo halo, but ended up eating lunch, realizing that the way back home would take a while.
Gusto ko bang kainin, ma? May gusto kang kainin na tanghalian mo?
It's not my first time eating their halo halo, but their halo halo tasted way better before. There goes my sponsor.
Yeah, baba ko siya gala.
Ang dami, kalahating baso ng kanin. Dami. Ang laki ng baso.
Masarap ba? Their food was decent. My favorites were the vegetables and the lumpiang Shanghai. Overall, it was a 3 out of 5 for me. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. As a thank you, here's a clip of this dog from the camping site that we stayed in.